Hello, good morning, and welcome to SK Info Hub channel to everyone. So today I'm going to tell you how to change your phone number and address and also email ID and your name in your Aadhaar card without going to any service center or common service center. So for that you have to install one application from UIDAI that I will give in description. Okay. So after installing you have to open that application. In first thing it will give you warm welcome to the new Aadhaar app and it will give some information about that. After you press discover key features, it will give you more information like show and share your ID digitally. Like you no need to carry your physical Aadhaar ID, so no need of physical copies. Your digital ID is always with you. Next it will tell you how your family Aadhaar will be integrated into in your one mobile. So you can no need to carry your all family members Aadhaar card, you can carry in your mobile itself. So after that it will tell you how to control what you share and also how convenient it is. So these are the information it will provide to you. After pressing enter the Aadhaar number, you will be proceeding to enter the Aadhaar number to a new page. Okay. After that it will tell you to keep the Aadhaar number and also and good lighting for face authentication. So you have to ensure that there is enough lighting in your room. So after giving I am ready with the Aadhaar number, you have to enter your Aadhaar number. So I am entering my Aadhaar number here. Okay, I am entering and I have done with entering, and after that I am giving continue. So here you have to agree the terms and conditions of UIDAI. After that you need to send an SMS for confirming your phone number. It will be automatically done by that app. So I am sending here SMS because it is iPhone, the option will be different, and for Android it will be different. It will send itself. For iPhone you need to send yourself. Okay. So now it is verifying my mobile number. SMS is already sent successfully. Now continue to other face authentication. Okay, you have to authenticate your face. It is biometric authentication. So I am doing that. So initiate face authentication. Next you have to give that. Ensure proper lighting. While initiating face authentication, you have to blink there once or thrice until it captures your photo. Remove your spectacles if any. Okay, if you are wearing any spectacles you have to remove that. Okay, now I have done with face authentication successfully. Okay, now you have to give continue, fetching my details. Okay, proceed. Next you have to give proceed. After that it will ask you to enter 6-digit security pin that you have to remember. You can choose any that you will remember in many days. Okay, keep one security pin, you have to repeat it twice. After entering the security pin you will be proceed to your main Aadhaar page. You can see your Aadhaar name and Aadhaar number also, unmasked data also. Here to update your Aadhaar you have to drag or slide up to this page. You have to slide up here. There can you see more options. Okay, there you have to slide up. Yes, there you can see many options like biometric lock and also reset pin. Pin is the same I have told you before, and biometric lock is your other biometric lock. That is better, but sometimes it gives problem. But you have to choose your update other details here. Okay, if you want to update your other, you have to choose that option. And next you can see there are many options to start a new update. Here mobile number update is there, address update is there, name update is there, and email update is there. So first they have rolled the mobile number update. Okay, address update and name update and also email update is not available right now, but it will come to there very soon. Okay, See, mobile number update processing time is 7 days, maximum 7 days, and fee is 75 rupees. Requirements are current mobile number and new mobile number. Okay, first you have to enter your new mobile number. There you will get a OTP, and next it will ask you for a face authentication. Then you have to make a payment. Okay, after that your completion of request will be done. Then you have to give continue. See, there will be my old mobile number, and you have to enter your new mobile number. Then you have to send OTP, then you have to make a payment. Okay, please share with maximum people so that everyone can update their Aadhaar in their own mobile. Okay, please share with maximum people so that they can avoid visiting common service center or other update service center. So please share with maximum people. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you.